Okay, so today we looked at division through actually like fast subtraction. We looked at area models versus partial quotients. Spent way more time on partial quotients than the other. And so let's take a look at the work for today. It says in this, what went wrong? And so right away, this 3 here should be a 3, but it's in the 30s place. And so this should have been 1603. 3,000 of that's 1,000 groups, or 3 groups of 1,000. This is 600 groups of 1,000, and lastly 3 groups of 1,000. I don't know why they did that. And so here we go, and it should be 1603. And explain how you know. Um, they put the 3 in the in the tens place instead of the ones. Okay, and so hopefully that's enough. And submit. There we go. Here we go. Partial quotients. She starts at 80. Write the number 80 where it belongs. It would be like over here. Helps if I have that. 80 would be 560. And when I subtract, I get 50. Oh, sorry. I borrow from here. Let's see. I borrow from here. It becomes a 5. That became a 12. I borrowed from the 12. No, I don't need to borrow from the 12. What am I doing? Here we go. Let's try this again. I know that the 80 goes over here. 80 times 8 times 7 is 56. That would be 560. And then complete the work. So at this point, why did I have so much problem with that? 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 6, I'm not able to do it, so I borrow. That's 5. That becomes a 12, and I get 63. And 7 goes into 63 9 times. 63, I subtract, get that 0. I have that it should be 89 times. And so 89, submit. Okay, here we go. I'm getting warmed up. Use partial quotients. Okay, 9, 400. Okay, I've got that 90. Again, 90 would be 450. I subtract, I get 15. That's 3 of those groups of 5. 5 groups of 3, I guess I should say. There we go. And so I get that it's 93. Submit. Oh, we're still on that first page. 12, I've got 70. 70 times 12 would be 840. I subtract, I get 84, and that would be 7. Okay, and so I get 77. 77 should be the answer for that one. Submit. 300, it's not giving me that pen tool every single time, would be 900. 207. 60. 27. 9, 27, 0. I get that that's 369. Submit. And on to the next page. We got a couple more of these long divisions. Ooh, they show me this one. That would be like 2,000, 4 groups of 2,000. This would be 500. That's 67. So I get that it is 2,567. And no decimals yet. Okay, so then we get into this one, 7,600. Divided by 25. Well, 3 times 25 is 75. So I'm going to go with 300 would be 7,500 of those. Subtract, get 100. That's 425s. 304. Oh, I've got some ugly math there. Let's see if I can. 18 hexagonal mirrors, each with approximately area of 18, 15 point. I'm going to do 1.509 times 18. Wow. When I do that, 8 times all of that is 12,072. 1 times all of that, but a placeholder is 1509 26171. 3 decimal places. 17. Oops, sorry, 27. How did I get that? 1 plus 1 is 2. Definitely got that one. And then I did 27,162 minus 4,500. 22.662 should be my answer. 22.662. Submit and explain. I mean, all the work is right there. See work. Oh, I hate when I hit the enter key and it doesn't submit for me. Here we go. Let's see how I did. Yay! And so those ones with the little asterisks, there was explanation that the teacher's going to need to go back and check. But if you have any questions about this, please check with your teacher, or please ask your teacher in class tomorrow. And then if not, I'll see you in the next video.